Hey guys, I just want to come with y'all with a quick video. I bought this, I think on Amazon. It's a USB connector, and I want to see if I can transfer, cause I'm always transferring my my iPhone to my computer, and it's kind of time consuming. So I use a hard drive. I have to send it to my computer, then send it to my hard drive, and this little fast drive too. This is the hard drive I have. You can also do it with the little cards too, the Transcend. I want to see if it works. So I bought this USB connector to see if I can get something off my iPad here. So it has a USB right here. I think this is a three speed, but I know this is the 3. It's the fast one, and they got a 2. It's the white one or the black one, I think it is. And I'm gonna see if this is gonna work. So I plugged it into my iPad, guys. I hope y'all can see that. And I'm gonna see if I can do videos. This is a 1-minute video that I want to see if I can do it to my hard drive. I have my cards right here that I plug. I want to really put it to my hard drive. So I'm gonna see if I can transfer this to my hard drive, because normally you have to put this on your computer. I don't know if it's gonna work because it's not turning on, guys. Wonder if it'll recognize my this. Let me see if I can bring it to something. Okay, save to file, and they have the USB right here. And I'm just doing what it tells me to do, following the instructions where I want it. I want it in the YouTube. And I press the one I want to save it in. Press save. Now I'm gonna do this back again and see if, because it didn't come on, so I'm gonna see if it's gonna copy it to it. But it did show up right here. If y'all can see, it did show up. I don't know if y'all can see this good. It did show up USB, and this is it right here. So it did show up. It's got this little symbol that is showing that it is trying to save it. It's a 1-minute video. I know my ring light probably interfering with everything, but it's on there. So I'm gonna put this back on there and see if I follow the same instructions and see if I can get it on there. Let's see if I can do some photos. You do your upload right here, your upload button right here. Let's see if it'll be there. Okay, it says save file. It doesn't show up the hard drive. I don't have the iCloud on my iPad in this document, Adobe document. So this is not showing up at all. My hard drive not showing up. So it doesn't work with that, but it does work with the flash drive. I wish it would do this for real, because especially for videos. So let me see if it's on there to be sure. I don't know if you can copy it back to it. Drive. We go to files, and that's my USB right there. Let's see if it did it. YouTube, and that's it. All right, guys, I don't know if I did that correctly. Let's try it again. Back to this, I do not like buying the USB that have the cord because sometimes it doesn't connect well to everything. So I am doing this on Wi-Fi. I'm not using my data or anything. Now it cuts off like it saved it to it. So let me go back in there again. There we go. Why it's not playing though? It says a QuickTime movie. Do I need to install something for it to play? But see, it shows that though. It shows the photos, but it won't play a video off this. Oh, it's showing this one. It shows stuff off your USB on your thing, but I can't get it to save correctly. See, this is all the stuff that's on this USB. And it plays the videos I had on there, but it will not play the one I saved. So, obvious it's a problem. Let's see, quick look. Let's delete that one. Let's see if I can save a photo though. Let's see if I can save a photo. It's not playing my my video, but let's see if I can save a picture. Okay, it does save pretty fast, guys. Now I'm gonna go back to the files. That's on here. It's right there. Let's see if I got that picture there. Yep. It saves pictures, but it did not save that that video. And I'm thinking that the video was 1 minute. So I'm thinking, you know, probably it's just not fast enough. But you can take your photos off of there. Let's go back. I don't think I have nothing less than, okay, I got a 52. So let's see if I can save this. And you know what? It might be a problem with the videos because I am doing it on Wi-Fi, and if it's like interfering with connection, it might throws it off. But I don't think see, it already took it off. So let me go back to file again and see if it's on here. Oh, look, it's right here. It did save it. Let's see if it's gonna play it. Oh, it did save it, guys. I got it to work. So see, y'all see it right there, and it's right there. So it did save it. So I'm not sure about that over the minute video. Probably longer videos, it might not work. Just gonna delete that. So it's really good for photos. Like if you you cram for photos and stuff, and you need to get stuff off your iPhone. It's just you need some space or something. And we're doing 4K video now, so it's taking up a lot of memory in your iPhone and your iPad or whatever. I actually record on my iPhone. This is just for featuring this purposes. I don't really record on my iPad. It's just way too big. And this iPad is not a pro iPad, and my iPhone have a better camera, so I use the iPhone instead of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. Now you see I took it out and it's not even showing up again. So it actually does work, guys. I have this right here. You can't put too many, I can't put too many videos on here because my videos is, long and hours long, and I need really, this is a 1 ton and this is only 256. So, that. But I am going to connect this right here and see if it would show up, pop up on pop up. Let's see if it's going to pop up. See this, clear some of this stuff. See this, oh, well, this one it's showing on there. The light is on and everything. So that might work. I might have to try that out, and I'll get back with y'all in the comment section if this worked. But the light did come on. Y'all see that light? That light came on, so this will work. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. So we know that the flash drive work and your little USB card reader. The card reader, like the micro SD cards and stuff like that. The ones that be in the cameras and, stuff like that. All right, guys, this is my little short video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time, y'all have a smiley day. Bye.